Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a virtual card step by step. Whether you're shopping on Amazon, Shine, eBay, or any online store, a virtual card keeps your money safe, secure, and helps you shop like a pro. So, if you've ever been afraid to use your main debit card online, stay with me till the end. I'll show you how to set up, fund, and use your virtual card for all your purchases. Let's dive right in. I will explain what a virtual card is. Before we start creating one, let's quickly understand. A virtual card is a digital version of a debit or credit card. It has a card number, expiry date, and CVV, just like a physical card. The difference is, it exists only online, on your phone or computer. You can use it for online shopping, subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify, paying for services like Facebook ads or Google ads. The best part? You can lock or delete it anytime and your real bank details stay safe. Best apps or banks that offer virtual cards. Now, let's talk about where to get a virtual card. Depending on your country, you have a few good options. Here are some popular and trusted. Revolut. Works in many countries, gives instant cards in app. Wise, formerly TransferWise, great for international shopping. Payoneer, ideal for freelancers and USD payments. For Africa, including Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, or any part of the world. 1. Eversend, also provides multi-currency virtual cards. 2. Barter by Flutterwave, easy to create and fund with local currency. 3. eChipperCash, offers USD virtual cards for online shopping. 4. GeekPay or Gray, for freelancers and dollar card users. Make sure to pick one that supports your country and preferred currency, usually USD for global stores. How to create a virtual card. Now let's go through the exact steps to create your own virtual card. For this demo, I'll use Eversend. You can follow similar steps in Barter or Wise. Now, why Eversend? Eversend is one of the most trusted multi-currency digital banking apps in Africa. It lets you hold money in USD, Euros, Pounds, Kenya shilling, Ghana cedis, and Nigerian currency. Send and receive money globally. And most importantly, create USD virtual cards for online shopping. The Eversend card works perfectly on most international platforms, including Amazon, Shine, AliExpress, Facebook ads, Google Play, Netflix, and more. So it's a safe and reliable option if you live in Africa and want to shop or subscribe online. Alright, let's walk through how to set up your Eversend account. Install the app. Head to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Eversend. Tap Install and open the app. Once it's done, you can register with your phone number or email. After signing up, you'll receive a verification code. Enter it to confirm your account. Verify your identity. To unlock all features, Eversend will ask you to verify your identity, KYC. You'll need to take a clear selfie, upload a valid national ID, passport, or driver's license. Confirm your name and date of birth. Once verified, usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, your account is fully active. Now for the main part, creating your virtual card. Make sure you've already added some money to your Eversend wallet before starting. Step 1. Fund your Eversend wallet. Tap on Add Money on your home screen. You can add funds via mobile money, MTN, Airtel, Vodafone, etc. Bank transfer or card payment. Choose your currency for online shopping, USD recommended. Let's say you add $20 or its local currency equivalent. Once your wallet is funded, tap on Cards at the bottom of your screen. Then click Create Virtual Card. Eversend will ask you to choose your card currency, select USD. Enter how much you want to fund the card with initially. Then confirm your details. After that, click Create Card. Within seconds, Eversend will generate your new virtual debit card complete with card number, expiry date, CVV code, your name on the card. Congratulations! Your virtual card is now ready for online shopping. Step 3. Fund the card, top up. You can move money from your main wallet withdraw into your card balance anytime. Tap Add Funds under the card, enter the amount, for example $10 or $50, and confirm. The money instantly appears in your card balance. Now go to your favorite online store, let's say Shine or Amazon. When checking out, choose Pay with Card. Enter your Eversend virtual card details, number, expiry date, and CVV. Enter your billing name and address, same as registered in Eversend. Click Pay, and your transaction goes through immediately. You'll also get an instant notification in your Eversend app confirming the payment. You have full control over your card. You can freeze it temporarily if you're not using it. Delete and recreate a new one if there's suspicious activity. Rename the card for easy tracking. And view your spending history anytime. That's it, super easy and secure. Let's go over some benefits of using an Eversend virtual card. 1. Security. Your bank details are protected. 2. Control. You decide how much to load into your card. 3. Global shopping access. Works on most international sites. Instant setup, no need to visit a bank. Easily replaceable. You can delete and recreate a card in seconds. 6. Real-time alerts. Get notifications for every transaction. In short, safe, simple, and smart. And that's it, guys. You've just learned how to create and use an Eversend virtual card for online shopping, safely, easily, and in just a few minutes. Now you can buy anything from anywhere in the world without worrying about card blocks or fraud. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more tutorials like this one. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover how to withdraw or transfer funds from your Eversend card in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.